Many people think that if they complete MBA HR, automatically they are going to get a job in HR. But let me tell you the secret. Companies do not hire degrees, they hire practical HR skills. In my 11 years corporate HR experience, I have interacted and interviewed more than 2000 candidates, and I found some shocking facts. Most of the candidates are MBA HR, but they don't know the practical work. Let me reveal you 3 secrets to get an HR job in the corporate sector. When a company hires HR fresher, they look for 3 things. Secret 1, communication skills. As a HR professional, you need to communicate with your peers, with employees, with employers, clearly, confidently and strategically. But if you cannot do it, company will never trust you with your HR responsibilities. Secret 2, company wants you to know recruitment selection process. Do you know how to shortlist CVs, how to screen CVs as well, basic payroll process, the salary computation? As a HR fresher, if you have no knowledge about that, then company will hesitate to hire you. Secret 3, problem solving skills. HR solves employees' problem. They handle conflict, balance employer-employees. And if you don't know all this work, then you will struggle to get a job in HR. In my next video, I'm going to reveal more secret industry-related HR practical work, practical job. Therefore, if you're serious about your HR career, subscribe my channel and wait for my next video to come. See you there.